Hello, my name is Laura and I am the Innovation Supplier Engagement Manager, and I am responsible for running the Water Innovation Network platform, which is essentially our formal process that we use to engage with current and potential supply chain. I received a submission from PSI Technologies and they were offering a low-cost sensoring solution. So the submission was evaluated by the business, and after a successful review, we decided to trial the solution.
Hi, I'm Adam Jessup. I work for the Strategic Optimization team for Anglian Water and the water recycling side. The purpose of my role would be to bring new technology into Anglian Water and try and take it from an idea to a real world scenario where it helps us get benefit in our day-to-day systems. We're a Maltville Marsh vacuum pumping station in Lincolnshire. And the reason we're here is we're trying to install monitoring equipment to be able to put visualization into the network so that we can prevent historical issues that up until this point we've not been able to discover without spending a lot of time and effort. We get things like customer complaints because we have no early warning system to be able to tell us that the customer's going to have an issue, where one of the systems we're putting in will give us that early warning. And then also when we have a low vac failure, which is effectively when the vacuum system is open to atmosphere somewhere in the network, we don't discover that until the station catastrophically fails. So this system will also allow us to be able to pinpoint that first failure point. Vacuum sewer pots are typically in very remote, hard to get to locations, and we can't run cables to them for communication or anything like that, and because they're subterranean it's difficult to get information out of underneath the ground. So we come up with a solution with a company called PSI to use self-sustained gateways that run on solar power to communicate using lower signal to sensors that we've installed inside the sewer that read pressure, because of the vacuum system, and also the level of the sewer, so that we can then visualize when we have failure from each different aspect. Yeah, so within the platform we've built almost like a real life virtual reality where we can see the habitat and the local area from a laptop, and we can look at things like the risks involved for carrying out the work required and traffic management that would be required, so we can cut down our time to respond to the alarm by being able to forward plan a lot of the work that will be required to solve the issue. So this is Graham Pryor. He works for a company called PSI. We've been working together for the last 18 months to come up with a solution for this particular sewer network. Graham's now going to give you a bit more of an insight to PSI.
Hi there. PSI is a solutions provider company. We're based down on the south coast of England. We provide a lot of industrial solutions for multiple companies across the UK. So we've been working with Anglian Water now for 18 months to provide a solution for AW's problems.
This is a bespoke bracket for Anglian Water. Basically, this bracket will enable the install to go much smoother, much easier, much quicker. And also, it's been made out of plastic, so it's anti-corrosion. So we've been working on this now for 6 to 8 weeks, from basically a single bracket design to a treble bracket design. So it's really easier to fit. So we're looking forward now to putting this into production.
So the idea now is to go and do another trial, but scaled up. So we're going to go to a catchment asset-wise that's double the size of the one that we're currently at. That is to further prove concept and also build our confidence in the system to be able to deploy this system in any location in Anglian Water.